You've asked for it, and not once or twice, and now it's finally here. You can now schedule your TikToks with your trending sound included directly from Metricool. So nope, you literally got no excuses left to leave your TikTok post hanging out there or to stay glued to your phone waiting to hit publish. Here's how to schedule a TikTok with a trending sound from Metricool step by step. Okay, we're gonna click onto create post and you're gonna click the TikTok icon and go into add a video. In this case, I'm adding a stock video. And once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my caption. Just a simple hey Metricoolers will do. Then I'm gonna go into my TikTok presets and click add music. Once I click in there, I'm gonna be able to see all of the not commercial music that TikTok offers. You are actually able to choose it by country or by musical genre. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and choose, let's do this one, the Little Things one. And once I do that, I'm able to select the segment of the song that I want for my video. Once I click that segment, I'm also able to choose which volume I want higher, either the music or the sound of my video. Once you do that, you're able to click the date and the time that you want to post this, and voila! You are ready with your TikTok video with trending sounds scheduled. And that's it. But now it's your turn to try it out inside the Metricool Planner. And if you don't have an account yet with us, you can create one for free at the link in our description. And if you want to take it one step further and schedule your whole month in advance, you can check out this video where we can explain it to you step by step. See you in the next one, Metricooler.